In this tutorial, I won't just be putting on makeup, but I will also gonna walk through you on how I created this look. Starting off with me crying. Well, not really crying, my eyes got irritated since I think the contact lens were expired or the solution is. Anyways, I switched contact lenses. Moving on with the foundation, this is a skin tint tone-up cream from Zisha. It's my first time trying it, but it has a good coverage and blends very easily. I think this is more suitable for an everyday kind of look, but we're going to use it today. And then I use a brush to blend it more since the key to a good base is blending. Next is eyebrows. I'll be using this Brow Cara from the same. I have a lighter visual weight, so lighter eyebrows complement my face more, and I think you can see the difference in the video. Well, moving on, I just did my concealer using this concealer pen, which is very convenient by the way. And I just mainly put concealer on my eye bags, nasolabial folds, nose bridge, and my chin. And then blend everything up. By the way, I'm starting to think I don't look good in yellow because the shirt I wore in this video is just not it. And I also put concealer on my eyelids to make it look lighter. Now for eyeshadow, which looks broken down. I mean, not look broken down, it's really literally broken down. Anyways, it's from Squad Cosmetics and I've been using it like ever since. It's one of the makeup products I first bought when I was starting makeup and I'm still with her. Not sure if she's expired though. The shades I'm using is a mix of a light rose color, an orangey shade, and brown. Nothing too saturated. I always start off from the lightest shade to darkest shade, and I usually just put the darkest shade in the edge of my eyes. Next is contour, which I still don't have a good grasp yet, so I just do the basic contouring for my nose shape. I also don't want the contour to be very obvious, so I just do it lightly. I have a low nose bridge, so I mainly just focus on that by putting concealer on the bridge to make it stand out more. I also like putting eyeshadow below my eyes to make the overall look more harmonious, and if you haven't tried it, you need to try it. Moving on to the most challenging part for me, which is the eyeliner. It's actually easier if I have my gel pen as a guide and I have a good eyeliner, but since I don't use liquid eyeliner often, they dry out and I don't buy eyeliner that often. But still, I did try my best. And now to hide my not so perfect eyeliner, I'm gonna prep my lashes with mascara, then proceed to putting fake lashes. And to be honest, for me lashes are more important than eyeliner, so yeah. I also always use clusters rather than a full fake lashes, and I glue it below my lashes to make it look more natural. And before I put glitter on my inner lids, I usually put concealer so the glitter will stick and look more brighter. And at this point, I'm just redoing my concealer since I think the first layer wasn't enough. And of course, blending it again and again and again and again. And for Aegusol, I just use the brown shade which I use for contour. And I also use it to darken the edge of my lower eyelashes, then using concealer on my Aegusol to make it pop out more. Now, time for the lippy. I'll be using this tint from Peripera, which is giving cutesy vibes. And I just love the shade of pink of this tint. And I'm sure you guys will also love it once I swatch it on my lips. And by the way, this is the first time that I'm using it and you're actually seeing my real-time reaction. The shade is kind of a rose-colored pink shade, which is the right shade of pink for me since I don't suit cool tone kind of pink. And I just layer it until I'm satisfied with how it looks. I wanted to complement the lipstick shade with my blush, so I went for a light pink shade for blush, which is my favorite blush shade by the way. I've been using this palette from Detail Cosmetics for a while now and I still love it. It has everything. It's literally my contour, my blush, my eyeshadow, and my bronzer and glitter. And so from the same palette, I use the glitter for my lids and inner lids. And actually just everywhere. And of course, I have to stop and admire my artwork as well. For finishing touches, I just added some fake moles and I will be doing my hair after. And I also changed by the way. And so after curling my hair, here's the result. This video is a bit long, and so if you stuck with me until this part, I appreciate you so much.